they turn on. So we can program them.
Chair and all. It will find its obstacle. Right?
Yeah.
It's moving without coming into contact with anything which is in front of it. Yeah? Did you move backward?
Oh, okay.
And what happens after that?
Okay.
We'll see whether it works fine.
Yeah. So I mixed it with the obstacle avoider.
So it also avoids the obstacle. Good.
Microsecond.
What should it be? Now press switch 1. Turn on the keyboard first. Switch 2. So it should move 5 seconds backward and it will stop exactly over here. Now what you should do, Pratham?
I just need to put motor.
Bring it. Now can you program it? Program complete. Take the keyboard and place it over there, the same place. We'll see for 3 seconds will it move. Ready? Press switch 1. 1, 2, and 3. That's it. Now let's see with switch 2 and it stops. For backward it is going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. And it stops. Don't worry. So what it will do?
So if I click, this sensor is on, then it will follow my hand wherever it goes. But if this is on, it will turn left. If this is on, it will turn right.
We'll see that.
Yeah. I have switched it on. Okay. Now I did this.
Take your hand off.
Now
Good.
it stops. This is
Good.
turn. Now I do this. It turn left.
Okay.
Left. What I have done is that if it's on an edge, it will go forward, back, and like turn this side, like where
Turn the opposite side.
opposite side, so that it
Doesn't fall off the cliff.
so that it doesn't fall off the cliff, and it continues its path without any interruption.
We'll see whether it works fine.
Yeah. So I mixed it with the obstacle avoider.
So it also avoids the obstacle. Good. And anyways, good job both of you. You both know how it is working now if I'm not wrong, right? Turn it on.
So when we turn it on, it automatically goes forward until it meets an obstacle. So
What happens when there is an obstacle?
So when it's
You can place your hand.
Okay, when it's right in front of it, then it goes back and turns.
When it goes to the wall, what happens?
It will go back and turn left.
See that?
See that.
Turn right.